if your iPhone touch is not responding and touch is having some issue. So the very first fix is what you should do. You should do a hard reset of your iPhone. That means a forceful reboot of your iPhone. So how to do this? Press the volume up button once and then press the volume down button once and then press and hold the right side key, and do not leave the side key until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Okay, so let's do it. How to do this? Just press the volume up button once and then down button once and then hold the side key and do not leave it, keep it pressed and wait for a few minutes until the Apple iPhone logo appears on the screen. And once the Apple iPhone logo appears on the screen, you'll be sure that you have successfully forcefully restarted your iPhone. And now try again. Now if this does not work, what you can do, if this issue of unresponsive touch screen is regarding any app, so let's say you're using Instagram or you're using Snapchat and this non-responsiveness to touch is happening in that app. So what you can do, let's say you're facing that issue in an Instagram app. So what you have to do, you have to just go to App Store. Okay, and now in the App Store you have to search that particular app in which you are facing the touchscreen issue. Okay, search that particular app, go to that particular app, and if there is any update option here, tap on update to update that app. Okay, if this also does not work, what you can do, you can try reinstalling that app. Just uninstall that app from your phone and just go to App Store again and install that app again from the App Store. Now if this also does not work, what you can do, you can try updating your iPhone to the latest iOS available. What happens, we don't bother to update or we don't bother to check the iPhone updates available, which time to time fixes the issue. So what you have to do, you have to just go to settings, and once you go to the settings home page, you have to just go to general, tap on software update, and if there are any software update available, tap on download and install now. Okay, and now try again and your problem will be fixed. Now if this also does not work, what you can do, you can try removing the screen protector. Okay, sometimes the low quality screen protector or a faulty screen protector is responsible for this. So low quality screen protector, if there is any screen protector on your iPhone which you have applied, try to remove that and remove the case also. If you are using a phone case, remove that and then try again. If this solves your issue, maybe they were responsible for this issue. Okay, what you can do, after removing the screen protector, you should try cleaning it with a neat and clean microfiber or piece of cloth. Try cleaning the screen and then try again and your problem will be fixed. Now if this also does not work, let's move to the last fix. Just go to settings, scroll down and go to general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Finally tap on reset and tap on reset all settings and then try again and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching the Geek Page.